Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually out here recording my progress when it comes to my backyard garden in. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am not usually an outdoorsy type of gal, especially living here in the South. It is so terrifying to be out and about, especially in the backyard, because there's always some kind of reptile that's that springs up out of nowhere. Even right now, as I am filming, I just saw this huge, this, what is it called? I can describe it. It looks like, it's like a cross between a lizard and a snake. Even though I'm worried about reptiles, because literally I have seen snakes come through my backyard on multiple occasions coming from across here, and even though we have a fence, they will find ways to come through nonetheless. So right over here, I actually went ahead and I laid down some stones that I literally repurposed. I had these stones in the front of my yard, and I decided I'm tired of that stone look that I have in the front, so I decided I'm going to take it in the back and just kind of repurpose it back here, so I've decided to lay these stones in this type of pattern. That's as much stones that I have right now. I'm hoping to get just some more so it can go all the way across onto the other side of the fence. So what I've done is I went and I got these cardboard boxes. I just saw this idea online somewhere where you can use cardboard boxes as a weed barrier, and then on top of the cardboard I'm going to put like a nice bed or layer of mulch, and that's really going to make it pop. So what I'm planning to do also is to plant, well, I'm not going to plant any flowers because for some reason things struggle to grow back here. Like this plant, I've had this plant for years, and finally it's beginning to look healthy. Before, the leaves were looking yellow as if it was lacking something, but now it's beginning to look, the leaves are beginning to look a lot better. But anyhow, so instead of planting the flowers in the ground, I'm just going to leave them in pots, and that should help to brighten up the space when I'm done. I also went ahead and I got these little solar lights from the Dollar Tree. I also have some lights on my fence, all purchased from the Dollar Tree. I gotta say, the Dollar Tree is a life saver, right? I always feel like nature teaches us lessons all the time, and we don't always pay attention to those lessons. But today, here is one. As I was in my garden, I have this flower pot that it looks as if this flower pot is over with. It is done for. Here it is. All the dead parts were hanging out, and I was just getting ready to throw this pot away. So just before I did, I just so happened to look closer in between all the dead leaves and so forth. And guess what I saw? I saw life. Here it is. Life. There they are. Life. So I almost threw something that has potential away. Sometimes in life, don't we feel as if life has buried us and there's no coming back? But really, all it is just a dry spell. You're just going through like a dry season. But don't be too quick to give up on yourself. And sometimes it is so easy to give up on yourself, man, when you're going through the dry spell. It is so easy to give up, but don't do it. Don't toss yourself away. Don't. Give yourself time. Prune yourself. Cut away the dead parts of you. Cultivate yourself, and you will start living again. You'll be surprised what is buried beneath the soil. Life is beneath the soil, and life is in you. So that is the lesson that I learned today as I was gardening. I was like, whoa, I almost threw away a pot of potential. But thank God I looked closely and saw that there was life beneath the soil, and there's also life in you. Speaking about life, look at this. Look at this scallion. This scallion was in my refrigerator for days. But the one thing about it is that it had roots at the end of the scallion. So I decided I am going to just put them in soil and see what happens. And I thought that it wouldn't grow because, it was in my refrigerator and the roots were dry. But no. Put them in soil, I watered it, and look at this. It is growing. Scallion is growing. That was a nice, hot, sunny day, and I'm all done with outside. I'm so glad with the progress that I am making. So now I'm back inside, and I'm going to reward myself by making a nice cucumber juice. Oh my God, I love my cucumber juice. It is so simple to make. I just have cucumbers and I usually put celery, but not this time. So it's just cucumbers, ginger, and coconut water. That's it. That's all I have inside. The coconut water makes it a lot more easier to digest. For example, I am trying to eliminate sugar out of my diet. So by using coconut water as a substitute, I find that it enhances the flavor. And surprisingly, I don't miss the sugar, so yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. All done. It's a little on the lighter side. To be honest with you, I prefer to juice it. When I juice my cucumbers, I extract everything out of it. All that green in the skin comes out in it. When I blend it, not so much, but I will be using my blender for now until I get my juicer because my juicer broke. But what I did here was, this is half cucumber juice and blended with ginger, and the other half is coconut water. It is so good. You have to try it, guys. I bought this coconut at Sam's Club. So it's 100% coconut water, and it's very good. So refreshing. So this is like really nice to have, just, you know, just to sit down, relax, sip on your coconut slash cucumber juice, read a book, meditate, watch a movie. This is really good. Very good. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching my content. I really do appreciate you. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.